Okay, see that right there? We're gonna go create those same planes.
Okay.
No, zoom out so you can see everything.
Well, I'm
Or
not. This is a
I mean, go
video.
back. Sorry, go back. Pause that video right there. See that?
Oops.
See that curve in the middle?
Yeah.
No, in the middle.
Yeah. This one.
Yes. That plane created that curve,
This
which
plane right
should have
here.
been on a surface. Oh, I bet you didn't create the surface.
I haven't done anything. I just made that the block so far.
Um, did you make the block though by creating this and then doing a surface? I'm gonna probably
No.
guess no.
No, I
So
just drew a
create a brand
profile
new.
and
Go
extruded.
create it. I mean, don't have a lot of time, Isaac. So go create a new part.
Okay.
I
I mean,
hope you
can I
don't
just
mind. I'm
delete
recording
this
this
one?
so I can, when I
Yeah,
get to it, have some
yeah.
answers.
Dave, I know you're busy, but I really could use your help.
I can't. I helped you, Doug, and I haven't helped Isaac at all. Hey guys, I recommend using make use of Lilia too, though.
Yeah, I
Well,
sent her an email and I haven't heard back.
You
well,
sent it to that Susan girl or whatever to make an appointment.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm gonna take off from here, Aaron. I should go try to talk to her right now.
Well, I just checked my email and she just got back to me and I'm scheduled for a Zoom with Lilia at 12:30 today.
Does that work for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just gonna. Did I take control yet?
I
Did
gave
I
you
ask?
control, yeah.
Why is it not? Oh, damn it. Oh, God dang it. I'm gonna go to a plane, create a sketch. Let me have you guys go to mute while I'm doing this. And then if you need to interject, go ahead and turn your mute off. I'm going to do a spline, something simple like so, and then hit escape. Oh, dang, I can't do that on this. Um, Isaac, can you hit escape? Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, so what I'm going to do with this curve is I'm going to exit out of the sketch and I'm going to create a surface. Um, I got to go into that generative shape mode to do that. Under the surface tab, we have an extrude just like a pad, but it extrudes the surface. You key in whatever length you want for your surface and say okay. And then I'm going to go back to part design. So what I just did is I created extruded surface and then this pad, right click on this, define the in work object. And then I'm going to go to sketch on this XY plane. I'll say okay. Um, Come on. I'm going to go to sketch And I'm going to create a rectangle. And then I'm going to exit out of the sketch. And then I'm going to create a pad in the part design environment under part body. What? We'll do a pad, and I'm going to pad it up to a surface. So that surface typically represents an engineering part, and what I was trying to show is if you were creating a tool fixture to hold the engineering part, you would work to the engineering surface and then split it or bring that solid up to that surface and select OK. And that's how you actually get your parts. So I imagine you probably just created a profile and didn't extrude.
Yep.
Purpose to this, what I just showed you, is how to actually link it to an existing engineering part or an existing surface. So if something were to happen to this surface, like I change a node and I move it up. Oh, come on. Why? That's a node point. I should be able to grab that. It's not letting me do it, of course. Anyways, if it's linked to the surface, any change to the surface will change your engineering part automatically. Okay.
Okay.
And that's something because you got to tool design, you have something to relate to. So that would be a bunch of publishing and all that stuff.
If I wouldn't have just watched that, there's no way I would have known how to do that.
So I'm glad you guys are all three watching it since you guys are going to be doing that, right?
I'll post
then-
this video after it's done.
Thanks.
Is there a video on that?
Dan's
recording.
doing it. Shading with the edges. Kind of see under there. So you get that vacuum lines. I'm gonna
So we're going to hook up the fitting here. It's going to be able to suck the air through this.
Oh, what? Oh, I have the geometrical set and hide.
It's hard to see,
Now what I'm
what's
going to
going
do
on
is
in there, I
in the
know.
wireframe mode.
but hopefully get kind of idea here with what we're doing.
I'm looking for the intersect command. I'm intersecting this plane and this surface. Select OK. That's how I got that curve. Can you pop back to the video real quick?
Yeah. Oh, that's the wrong thing.
It's the video right there on top. Pick the video. I think. Oh, rewind the video.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, play it because remember that picture where I was trying to show you this is what I'm going to try and create? It's trying to get there.
Oh, yeah.
should have been the
I think
first
it's over
video.
here. Hold on. This.
Yeah, that's the one. So you guys see what I created? Let's see if I can do this. So I generated this curve to make that surface. And then I created that plane, and then this is the intersection curve. You guys with me so far?
Yeah.
Now what I'm going to try and do is get a point at this intersection and a point at this intersection right here. Okay, so let's go back to Katia. I want to use intersect command. Oh. Sorry.
You want me to do it?
No, I forgot I had control here. I gotta get rid of the annotation thing though, so it lets me do it. I'm gonna do an intersection on the edge of that part to this intersection curve. Well, I'm gonna try. I'll select OK. This intersection is that point right now. Okay. I wish it used to be called a point, but now it's called an intersect. So I'll attempt to do the same thing on the top. Intersect. Intersect this upper edge on this part. No, I did not mean to grab that. I want this curve. Let's do this intersection. And I'm trying to grab this line up here.
You want me to grab it?
Let me hide this. What? Oh, I did center frame. To this edge over here. And I'll select OK. Now, the reason why I created those 2 points is because I needed to divide this or measure from this somewhere to get this other curves. So let's say I want to go create a point. On a curve. From, I'll grab this curve. Where's my, I'm highlighting this point right here. Can you guys see my cursor?
Yeah.
I want to come from this point, which sometimes I find easier to grab off the tree, which is that intersection. So now I want to go along that curve a certain distance, and I'll type in the length -1, and I'll hit preview just to see where that lands. For this example, maybe I'll go -2. Preview that and say OK. And then I'll do that one more time, point. So you guys remember what I did? I used on curve, right? And then I picked this curve right here. And what do I have to do to get to start from that point right there? What did I pick?
Picked it in the tree, the intersection.
No. Anybody remember? In the pop-up window? What's a pop-up window say for the point?
It says default.
Right, but I don't want a default. What do I want to do? You highlight that and you pick this point, which I said is kind of easier to grab off the tree, which is this intersection. See how it's highlighting that point?
Yeah.
And then you can go a ratio, which would be, if you do a ratio on the curve, it will put it right in the middle if you put in a 1 or a 0.5. But in this case, I want to do distance on the curve. I did -2 on the top, so I'll do 2. I guess I got to do, yeah, 2. And hit tab and select OK. So that's what I want to give to you guys. I want you guys to try what you learned from the previous assignment to go into the surface feature and use your sphere. Try and figure out a sphere that would work for you up here. And another sphere that will work down here. Okay. And then you would do that multi-section curve. Like Dave, did you get that to work? how you do that multi-section
No, I
curve?
didn't get it to work yet.
Okay, so it's the same concept though. And then you got to join the surfaces to split this out. All right, that's what I'll have you try. Again, if you get stuck on it, skip on it because I know you have other stuff you could be doing besides this if you're stuck. Okay, but I'm gonna ask you, Isaac, don't take this model. This was me just demoing for you. See if you can repeat all the steps I did to get to this level. Okay.
Okay.
And then Dan's gonna post a video what I did for you guys.
Can you
Right,
tell
Dan?
me which module this was for so I can make a
Yeah.
note of it?
Actually, can you put the module on the screen for reference, Isaac?
Yeah. Hold on a sec.
So on this one, you got to double click those spheres and move them around and try to adjust them accordingly.
That is the tooling fixture vacuum lines.
Okay.
So it's this one right here. Second assignment.
Isaac, can you save that model to me for later? So if you work with Lilia or work with myself, that's already there.
Yeah.
And then if you wind up getting with Lilia, you can show her the videos you were referencing.
Okay. Yep.
You
All
might
right.
send her an email too, like, hey, just to let you know, this is the assignment I'm working on. She's done all these assignments. She'll be able to pull up her parts. So if she already knows what you're going to be working on, that might help her get your answers faster wherever you're stuck. Okay.
Okay.
But since you're going to see Lilia, see if you can repeat this part of it at least on your own. All right.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know if she takes multiple people too. Like if you and Dave show up at the same time, if she can do that or not. But just to let you guys know, or Dave, you want to send an email, go, hey, I'd like to be included on that same assignment Isaac's doing because I got stuck. Also, okay?
Yeah, I'll email him.
Hey,
Don't
Isaac,
forget,
record it.
is it recorded now?
No, I'm saying record his session with Lilia.
Oh, yeah, that might be a good idea too. Okay,
I've never done, I don't even know how to do that.
on the, do you, when, are you on Windows 11?
I don't know.
Do you
Think
have
so.
the snap
I have a new
tool?
computer, so
Do you have
yeah.
the snap tool?
The snap tool? I'm not sure. I don't know what
Or
that is.
snipping tool.
Or
Probably.
snipping?
Can you see my screen still?
I'm trying to type it in and look.
That one right there's top snipping tool.
Yeah.
I clicked on it. Did it come up on
It's
your
because
screen?
I have two monitors.
Oh, is it on a different monitor?
Yeah. So I see it on the other one. It's
Well,
so
bring it over here to this monitor so we can see it.
so
What?
do this.
Yep.
Yep.
And then you hit new, and then you just make a trap. What size? I just trapped my whole screen, and then you hit start, and it records.
Okay.
And then
Make sure you
it should
turn on the
probably go.
microphone.
It'll probably land by default in a folder called videos.
Okay.
All right, guys, just like that, my class is over.
Okay.
Lopez, I'll give you a couple minutes here if you could show your